eyelashes off camera in 3, 2, 1.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendysss and I'm back with another video. This video will be all about Halloween, as you can see. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And for the new people to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. First, I'll be using my concealer in the color 83. Now I will be setting my concealer with a loose powder. For this makeup look, I will be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, really bright colors. I'm going in with the color pink. Because I have a darker skin complexion, I will be using the same concealer as always, but in the white color. And I'm doing that just for the colors to pop out more. I'm going in with the pink color. Now that I've done that, I will be using the purple color from the same palette. As you can see, I already put the white concealer. Now I will be using the white concealer to make a cut crease. I'm not going with the cut crease like you have seen in my previous videos, but I'm just doing it half this time. Now I will be going in with the blue color. And like at the end, you're blending it out a little bit with the purple and like with the pink. And you can see that it's getting like darker purple. Now I will be going in with the yellow from the same palette still. Now I will be using green. Eyelashes off camera in 3, 2, 1. I will be using my Douglas 12-Hour foundation that I always use in the color medium brown. I'm gonna conceal my face with my concealer. contouring my face with the PS My Perfect Color in the color Rich Espresso. I'm gonna set my concealer with the loose powder. I will be going in with the palette, the NYX palette once again. To just the colors might come through a little bit more. Okay guys, so now the face paint. I bought this face paint palette. It's just a cheap palette, so you can use any palette that you like. To open it, I'm starting off with the black. Okay, now I'm coloring this in. Now I will be going in with colors to make it like a little bit more fun. I'm just gonna use a makeup brush to do this. And I'm gonna start with some purple. Okay, now I'm going in with the black. I will be using pink. Now guys, I will be using highlighter, the same highlighter as always. Thank you guys for watching my videos.